Generalized anxiety disorder takes its toll on 10 million Americans each year. For people who have been diagnosed with GAD, what treatment options are available?
Fortunately, most patients who have generalized anxiety disorder respond well to treatments like therapy and medication. Although each of these can be used individually, patients are most commonly treated with a combination of both. There are several kinds of medicines that can treat GAD and which are especially helpful for people whose anxiety is interfering with their day-to-day life. The primary medications currently used to treat GAD come from a class of drugs called benzodiazepines, sometimes referred to as minor tranquilizers. Common tranquilizers like Xanax and Valium produce a feeling of calm and decrease the physical symptoms of GAD like muscle tension and restlessness. However, drowsiness may be an unwanted side effect. Another kind of medicine used to treat GAD is Buspar, a medication that specifically targets anxiety by affecting the levels of serotonin in the brain. Although it is not as universally effective as tranquilizers, Buspar does not cause drowsiness as a side effect. Also, antidepressants like Paxil and Effexor are sometimes used to treat GAD. Therapy is also an important part of treating GAD. One type of therapy in particular, known as cognitive behavioral therapy, can be useful for GAD sufferers because it teaches them to change the thought patterns and behaviors that lead to anxiety. Most people get substantial relief with a combination of therapy and medication, although some people with GAD do experience ongoing symptoms. People who are trying to cope with the symptoms of GAD can take some everyday steps that will help. Eating a healthy, balanced diet that includes a mix of food groups and exercising daily are good ways to help reduce these symptoms. It is also smart to reduce the consumption of products that contain caffeine, like coffee, tea, and soda, because caffeine is a stimulant that can heighten anxiety. Over-the-counter medicines and herbal remedies sometimes contain chemicals that can increase anxiety symptoms. It is smart to speak to your doctor or pharmacist before taking these products. Also, make sure to seek counseling after a traumatic experience or particularly severe symptoms. If you think you have generalized anxiety disorder, be sure to contact your doctor so that you can get treated and start to feel better.